aka YSS. Determine the item build hero and define the battle spell. Okay, ESS is a hero who become a jungler in Mobile Legends. Therefore, he must focus on farming. Be taking the blue buff and turtle. Don't forget to buy a item. Farm for only one, be only one on ESS because ESS type on jungle. Target and kill. Focus on push the turret. Focus on farming. Get for Pokemon and kill the turtle. Kill again. Clear the minion. And focus on pushing the turret because that's the key to our victory. And clear minion again. And kill your enemy again. Keep farming and pushing on the turret for enemy because he your key of